Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Myself Mr. V. Nageshwara, Assistant Professor, Department of Civil Engineering from Nalla Narasimha Reddy Education Societies and Group of Institution, Hyderabad, Telangana. Guys, today we will discuss some of the things in Transportation Engineering of second unit, that is highway geometry design. You know very well about this. So previously we have discussed one important topic, overtaking side distance. So from that overtaking side distance, we will solve some problems. So this is one problem here. So the speed of overtaking and overtaken vehicles are 70 km per hour and 40 km per hour respectively on a two-way traffic road. If the acceleration of overtaking vehicle is 0.99 meter per second square. So let A calculate safe overtaking side distance. B mention the minimum length of overtaking zone. And third one is draw a neat sketch of the overtaking zone and show the position of the signposts. Guys, here given two speeds. One is the overtaking speed and second one is the overtaken speed. So one is the 70 km per hour and another one is 40 km per hour. It is a two-way traffic road, he mentioned in question. And here given acceleration of overtaking vehicle 0.99 meter per second square. It not given for overtaken vehicle. Overtaking vehicle acceleration is given. And he mentioned three question marks. One is OSD. Second one is the minimum OSD overtaking zone length. Another one is asked to draw a neat sketch at the overtaking zone. So according to this given data, we will solve the problem. Yeah guys, this is the solution. Yeah, first point is overtaking side distance for a two-way traffic. We know very well two-way traffic and one-way traffic of the formulas. Already we are solved these formulas in the derivation in previous class. So here according to that formula we will solve the problem. So here first question is overtaking side distance for two-way traffic. Now guys, OSD formula is D1 plus D2 plus D3. He given here is equal, but that is a plus. According to that we need to calculate. So D1, D2, D3 we know the formula. We are derived from in derivation. So assume the design speed at the speed of overtaking vehicle A. So we are designing speed of the overtaking vehicle A. A is overtaken to the B. So that's why here design speed V is given here, that is a 70 kmph. So if we can meter per second small equals to capital V by 3.6, that is 70 by 3.6. So then the value is 19.4 meter per second. And here VB value also is mentioned, that is 40 by 40 by 3.6. There is a value also is given, and that is the value is 11.1. That is the value is 11.1. And here VB means speed of overtaking vehicle, and capital B is speed of overtaking vehicle or design speed in kmph. The values is given here. And afterwards here given acceleration, that is small a is equals to 0.99 meter per second is given acceleration. So we can take in kmph by second also, no, doesn't matter. So here we need to calculate all the values of d1, d2 and d3. So we will calculate accordingly. So where d1 is equals to, so d1 is formula Vb into T. That is a formula we know very well from the derivation. Here 2 is equals to, sorry, here T is equals to 2 seconds. So your Vb value is, we are calculated over there, that is 11.1 meter per second. We can substitute here, that is 11.1 into 2, that is 22.2 meters. That is the one thing. And coming to the next one, here d1 value is 22.2 meters. And coming to the d2 value is, that is a formula. d2 formula is Vb into T plus 2s. Vb into T plus 2s. Here S formula is 0.7 Vb plus 6. That is the S formula. And another formula is also there for the alternate calculation, that is a 0.2 Vb plus 6. That is the alternate formula. But here is 0.7 into Vb plus 6. That is a S. So Vb value is 11.1 we know here. So then S is equals to 13.8 meters. Then next to T, we need to require T. T is equals to under root of 4s by A. Under root 4s by A. That is the T formula. So S we know 13.8, acceleration we know 0.99, then T value is 7.47 seconds. And Vb value is there, T value is there, S value is there. We need to substitute these values in D2, where D2 is equals to Vb is 11.1 into T is 7.47 plus 2 into S value is 13.8. That is the value is 110.5 meters. That is the D2 value. And coming to the D3 formula is V into T. So V value we know, small v 19.4 into T value is 7.47. So here D3 value is 144.9. So approximately we can say it is 145. So now OSD is equals to D1 plus D2 plus D3. Here D1 value is 22.2 and D2 value is 110.5 and D3 value is 144.9. So round figure value is 277.6 meters. So we can written here 278 meters. That is the OSD value. Overtaking side distance for 2S traffic value is 278 meters. And coming to the second question is minimum length of overtaking zone. So minimum length of overtaking zone means 3 into OSD. So OSD value we know very well. D1, D2, D3 value is there, 278, that is the OSD. 3 into OSD for the minimum overtaking zone. So that is 3 into 278, that is 834 meter. So this is the minimum length of overtaking is required when the vehicle is overtaking the another vehicle. So approximate near to the 1 kilometer. That is the minimum length. So desired length of the overtaking, we can say it is maximum. Desired length of the overtaking zone is 5 into OSD. So OSD is 278, we know very well here. So then 5 into 278, so that is 1390 meters. So more than 1 kilometer we need to required here. And coming to the next one is the C, third question, the details of the overtaking zone as shown in figure. Yeah guys, this is our original picture here. So here starting one is the S1 we can say, and the ending is the S2 from left side, that left side from left to right when you are moving, and here also some left to right, here the S1 and S2. Where S1 is there, then obviously opposite is the S2. So where S1 is the overtaking zone entering and S2 is the overtaking zone exist. So entry and exist we can say. So here SP1 is the signpost, overtaking zone ahead, signpost end of overtaking zone. So S1 is the ahead and S2 is the overtaking zone according to the design pattern. So when entering and existing, the between these two, the width of the road is maximum compared to the original road. Why? Because it is a particular zone, that is zone is known as the overtaking zone. So we can overtake at that particular time only and no need to build this kind of overtaking zone entire the project. So it is a cost of matter. So we will build at the particular situation regarding the distance, some of the distance approximately only with the proper approval of the IRC and National Highway Authority of India. Then only we need to build. If we are constructing normally at the certain places, then there is a cost of matter. The project expansion is more than the actual cost. So that's why it is not required more and more. We will require at the particular places only. So this is the solution, guys, and thank you.